I cannot. Okay, so today I introduced the Japanese New Year cooking. Sorry, my English is very bad, so I mainly I show you how to cook. And first I have to start cooking, and while I'm cooking nishime, I explain more about the Osechi New Year food and how to cut. But today I'm making two dishes. One is datemaki. We call datemaki. It's kind of egg roll. Egg roll. But I make like omelette, like baked omelette, rolled baked omelette. But I make with tofu and kabocha squash. Kabocha squash is okay.
Squash.
And the method is very simple. I put all ingredients in food processor and blend, and I bake in the oven. So I explain ingredient. I have 300 tofu. It's hard tofu. Usually one tofu in Japan is 300, so I made recipe with one tofu. So I put in blender, food processor. And I put the squash, I steamed already, so it's soft. I put 130 grams of squash peeled. This is for yellow color like egg and give nice sweetness also. And usually this egg roll is a nice sweet taste. It's not dessert, but so mainly we put mirin. I put 2 tablespoons of mirin, and I put 20 grams of kuzu. Kuzu, how do you say, harden this roll, but it's kind of a chunk. So I put mirin in kuzu and dissolve a little bit.
Are you using a rubber spatula there to dissolve it?
Sorry?
Is it a brush in your hand or a spatula?
It's a small.
It's rubber?
Yes, yes. And I put in blender. And I use 3 sweetener for this dish, but only one sweetener is okay. But I use unrefined, what do you say? Unrefined beet sugar. And I like to put maple syrup in this dish because maple syrup is nice match with pumpkin squash. And I put salt. Usually in Japan, I put sweet white miso. But today, to simplify, I put only sea salt. About 1 teaspoon. And blend all together. today we are waiting extra 1 hour, so the squash became very hard, and it's still big piece. So,
I'll mention that Mio is giving her cooking class at 10 p.m. in Japan.
yes.
Thank you.
Mm. Usually I mix a few times so that it process evenly.
And I could make this with no sweetener, right?
No, yes, yes, of course.
But do we have kombucha?
So we got the next best.
And I'm preparing the baking tray with oven sheet. We're gonna roll this tofu egg roll with this, what do you say, sushi mat?
Mhm.
And it has wave here, so it make nice, how do you say, pattern. So about this size, I prepare oven sheet. And we transfer. Usually I process a little more, but today I'm a little shortcut. Really like omelette, sweet omelette. You can use corn instead of kabocha squash.
Corn.
It's also nice. Has very sweet, nice sweetness, and with together with tofu become like really omelette, egg omelette.
How much corn would you use?
About same amount with or with squash. Today I put 130 grams. But maybe in that case, I will put a little more kuzu, because kabocha is more hard. Okay. And I bake in oven in Japan 180
Degrees.
degree,
Mhm.
25 minutes. So now I'm in oven.
I think that's about 350 in a Fahrenheit.
And today I baked already one roll and it become like this. I burnt a little bit. When I'm too young, I always burn food. But this side is okay, but this side, I want to keep a little more, not burnt, but today become like this. So after bake 25 minutes, set aside to cool a little bit, and then roll from, what do you say, from center part to and like sushi roll. When you make sushi roll, you have to roll tight, otherwise it becomes space inside. Okay. So first you press and roll like this. And this need to set like at least 1 hour before you cut and serve. So that's why I baked this. So become like this. And simply with rubber band tie. Okay. This is ready. So I put aside. Next. We make nishime. I think nishime, or you know how to make, yes?
Not everybody.
Not everybody. Okay, okay. Nishime is very traditional Japanese cooking, and it's a kind of principal food of Osechi. Because Osechi originally, it started, how to say, after we harvest like vegetable food, なんていうのかな? We serve food to God to show our gratitude. And we say thank you. That is the origin of Osechi. So we use many vegetables, put in pot and cook, and we make nishime. Today, today we use many root vegetables. And it's a New Year food, so we cut a little more. I show you how to cut, but first I have to start cook. Otherwise I don't finish. So I prepared already some vegetable. I put some taro potato. I peeled and I rub with a little sea salt. Put sea salt and rub a little bit, and then rinsed. Otherwise, the nishime become very slimy. Have you ever experienced this type of vegetable? No, you don't have taro. in Israel? No. Okay. So taro. Good.
I brought back taro and tried to grow it and was successful, but I don't have it anymore.
Mm. It's very nice texture.
It's wonderful.
I put taro and I put water chestnut. Water chestnut. In Japan, in countryside, we grow a lot, but in market, we have only New Year time. It's kind of New Year type of vegetable. It's sprout, it's growing water. I peel like this, and we put in nishime. Usually we peel, but today I try with whole one. And carrot. What do you say? I cut with this. I don't know how to say this flower shape. I take out and I cut inside like this. I show you how to do this. And also today I cut with this daikon. And this we cook together. But daikon I put in here.
Wow, that's really special.
And also I will make this don't look very nice, but I make a kombu roll. I soak kombu and roll with this is dried tofu and carrot. On the bottom part, I cut in strip and I put like this. This also I show you how to make. But I put all together. 見えないね。Ah, and also dry shiitake for nice dashi broth. For nice broth. And this carrot flower I put a little later. And today also I have really root. It's a really root. I cleaned. Have a lot of soil, so I clean up. But
What
this
kind of root? What kind of root is that?
Lily. Lily. It's a flower, big, kind of big,
Okay.
like trumpet.
Okay.
Have you ever seen? No.
No.
Lily root. Ah, somebody's writing. Lilly.
Okay, lily root.
It's very sweet.
So if I have a lily pad, then it must have a root. I could take it.
I think so. Yes.
Ah,
Yeah. Maybe you make all really head. I don't know. Like celery. Penne. And today I put also lotus root, but I cut in this shape. This also I show you. I put all vegetable in pot. And when we make nishime, usually we cook with small amount of water, like kind of steam simmer. But for this New Year nishime, I put a lot of broth because we have to. I want to cook kombu in short amount of time. Where was broth? Yo. So, this is the broth. I was soaking kombu and shiitake. I put in pot. This New Year, the broth should cover the kombu so that this kombu roll become very soft. And I put, from beginning, I put a seasoning. The base is salt because I don't want to make this very brownish. So base I put sea salt and a little shoyu for flavor. Okay. So I start to cook. And the point of nishime, this kind of cooking, the point is you have to bring to a boil. And you have to bring a strong boil first. And you never take out lid, like check, but bring to a boil well, so that steam build up. So steam, when steam come out from pot, and then lower the flame. And like altogether 15 minutes is enough.
50 or 15?
15.
15.
And today I put carrot and this lily root later. So after after bring to a boil, 7 minutes I cook this root vegetable. And then I put this, and after that, I bring back to a boil and 7 more minutes. I put, because when we cook too long, this lily root become like, what do you say, it break, become very soft, become too soft. And now I will show you how to cut this. So first, this we call it ume ninjin, like, what do you say, ume plum carrot. First, we cut carrot with this, and then we what do you say? Shape, kind of shape. So first, we cut from center to this part. This. like 2 milli. I use this part of knife. And from center, like 2 milli. Just cut on the surface. And then I put knife here. And then cut a little bit. Can you see? Okay, then, なんだっけ、ロータスルート。This part I done, but now the pot, the steam come out. So I lower the flame. I don't know if I have time. Today I cook 6 minutes. Lotus root. Can you see here have hole, small hole? And I cut here, 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 between this hole first. And then like carrot. Ah. Not very beautiful. Then make like flower. This part usually I chop, and in New Year I make kind of meatloaf with seitan. So I put this leftover because I don't want to throw away this part. Okay, next, kombu roll. I soak kombu. Can you get? Yes, yes, in Israel, kombu. But usually I soak before 30 minutes when I start to make this kombu roll, because if you soak long time, like overnight, become very, very slimy and sleepy and difficult to roll. So I soak about half an hour. And I cut dry tofu and carrot, like same size.
So the dried tofu, is it soaked first or cooked or anything?
Yes, yes, I just soaked.
Mhm.
Yes, and I cut.
And the carrot is raw.
Yes, carrot is raw, all raw. You put like this and roll very tight. And compio. And I use compio for to tie this roll. This is compio, kind of watermelon strip, very big watermelon. It's not actually watermelon, but very similar, like kind of melon. We slice it and we slice it and we peel like this. And dry. And this we use for like sushi roll or many times I saute this. It's also very nice. And many people this they use after soaking. But for this combo roll, I never soak, but because it become very soft. And when I, how to say, tie, it cut. So I just wet this campio and use. So this one, like the tofu roll, I roll from inside to outside. I would say in front to back. Oh. Now 6 minutes, so I put carrot and lily root to nishime. Sorry, I put water sauce. And bring back to our bowl. This also I put in nishime. Okay. Okay, this is combo roll. And after cooked, I cut in half today I rolled carrot and dry tofu, but you can roll burdock, for example, whole burdock. It's more easy to roll, I think. Another one. I put konjac. Are you familiar with konjac? No. Konjac is kind of we make with taro. Kind of taro or mountain potato, very big. We grate with water and we cook and we put in shape like this. Very soft, flexible. And today what do you say? I make shape like this. So I will show you how to slice in this strip. And cut just a little bit in center. And we have hole here. And this is konjac. In this one, because I don't have time, I cooked already. I pan fry with dark sesame oil a little bit. And then I put water and sea salt and shoyu and a little slice of red pepper, red chili. And simmer with like 10 minutes, cook down liquid. That's it, very simple.
Mio, why do you use both salt and shoyu?
Nice question. Usually when I make nishime, just nishime for daily cooking, I season many times only with shoyu. But for this Japanese New Year food, I want to keep color very beautiful. So I don't want to make very too dark, too brownish. So I season with salt for base. And then for flavor, I just put shoyu. Okay. So now I think it's time. But we have to wait a little more to finish this. Do you have any question? So sorry for my English. Osechi, Japanese New Year food. All dish have meaning actually. Like we pray for like good luck, or for this kombu roll, we pray for 喜ぶ。喜ぶでしょ。For longevity and happiness. So, and that tofu roll is for wonder if I can cut this. This shape is, I don't know how to say. In ancient time, we write an important thing to record
In a
paper.
scroll.
in
Mhm.
paper, and yes, we roll. So this kind of dish we play for, how do you say, good study or this ratemaki. We need to set a little more, but you see pattern. This should be more light yellow, but today I burn. But I try to cut now. Ah. I'm afraid it become break. So like this, very soft, kind of spongy, and very nice. I want too much today. So soft. And the nishime finished. I can cook a little more. I think it's okay. Taking taro, it will take a little more, like few minutes. I serve because it cooks like this. In this way, we can cook kombu in 15 minutes. Become very soft. Kombu roll. It's very hot. It's like this.
Really nice.
So I will serve a little bit. Really is too big. Any question? Okay, so this is nishime. Simple Japanese cooking, but very easy. I'm making recipe very simple, so that because we are all busy.
Oh,
So today's I forgot the branch. What do you say this? Snow peas. The snow peas. Hmm?
can't quite see it. There we go. That's it. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Wonderful class.
For watching.
Yeah, thank you so much. This is just, it's so refined and so beautiful. Thank you very much.
Yes, any question?
Thank you so much. Thank you.